In the first year of college, I didn't really have a lot of friends. I thought this college isn't for me. This is like a cool college, and I didn't belong here. I got depressed and lonely. Today, I'm in second year at the end of second year, and I have lifelong friends. I realized it was all in my head. It's all false, and you might be going through that right now, that you think that you are lonely, or you think you don't have friends when you are there. But there's three steps that you need to do. The first is talking to every single person in the first year of your college as soon as you got there. Even if people you like, people you don't like, people who are not your type, just talk to every single person. Trust me, until you later on, talk to every single person in the first place. As many people as you can, people who pass by you in canteen, people in your class, people who you hate. Just talk to every single person in your first year. Now, as you have made talk to a lot of people, you know a lot of people. Just trust me, do this first. Don't listen to your shitty brain. Just do this first. I've gone through that pain of being lonely, and I've experienced it. It's a lot. So just do it. Talk to a lot of people. Then, as you have a lot of people, cut out people you don't want to hang out with. Cut out people you don't want to hang out with. Not people that they don't like you. Not people that hate you. People that you don't like, that you don't want to hang around. And start hanging with people that you actually like and actually vibe with a little bit. Get them to know better. And what happens when you do this is you create a bond with people who actually like you, people who are similar to you, people who share similar interests to you. And you don't have to go and just cut out every single person you don't like. You have to say hi, bye, but stop hanging around them. You don't have to say, oh, fucker, you are a loser. No, don't do that. You and you might have this limiting belief that, oh, very, but what if they don't like me? What if there are no people like me? Shut the fuck up. That's just a shitty excuse. Just go do this two steps, and if you don't do this, you'll fucking die alone. I know there are a number of excuses in your brain, like some shitty excuses, like what if they don't like me? What if they think I'm a creep? That's the point of talking to everybody and then cutting out people who are not like you. To find people who are like you. At the end of the first year, I just got this weird realization that I should talk to everybody. I talked to everybody, and then later I started to cut out people that I didn't really like. What that did was attract people who were like me. I don't know how, but it attracted people who were like me because I was talking to everybody. You become an object of desire, that this guy is cool, he talks to everybody. So when you talk to more people, you get to know people at a deeper level. You don't get to really know people from their heart when you are just talking to them. You need to bond with them, you need to hang out with them. That's when you know they are like you, because people have this weird self protection layer of them where they hide themselves to fit in society's needs. I know that's weird, but everybody does this. Society's fucked up right now, so I hope this helps you. Take action. Don't be a chona. Don't be a lonely, shitty, weird person. This is like action steps you can take. Take action. Today's weather is freaking amazing. Take a deep breath right now. Okay? Take action. take action, don't be a chomo, see you soon.